In this video, I will show you how to fix lag in Roblox Mobile and boost FPS while also reducing ping for a smoother gaming experience. Follow these simple steps carefully. Step 1. Lower Roblox graphics settings. The first and most effective method is reducing in-game graphics. Open the Roblox app on your mobile device. Join any game of your choice. Tap the menu or Roblox icon located at the top or side of the screen. Go to Settings, find Graphics Mode and change it from Auto to Manual. Now lower the graphics quality slider to the minimum level, 1 to 3. This step is very important because high graphics settings can heavily reduce FPS, especially on low or mid-range phones. Lowering graphics will instantly improve performance and make gameplay much smoother. Step 2. Clear Roblox cache. Sometimes lag happens because of stored junk files. Clearing cache helps fix that. Go to your phone settings, open Apps Management. Find and select Roblox tab on Storage, press Clear Cache. This will remove temporary files without deleting your game data. It helps reduce stutters and improves loading speed. Step 3. Update or reinstall Roblox. An outdated version of Roblox can also cause lag and glitches. Open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for Roblox tab update. If an update is available, if your app is already updated but still lagging, uninstall it completely and reinstall it again. After reinstalling, restart your phone. This helps clear background memory and refresh system performance. By following these steps, you should notice a big improvement in FPS, smoother gameplay, and much less lag in Roblox Mobile. If this helps you fix lag in Roblox Mobile, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gaming tips.